As I look back on 2022, I will forever be grateful for the opportunity to spend so much time deep in the wilderness with unobstructed views of the sunrises and sunsets, exploring new trails with no need to drive home at the end of a hike because now home is where we park it, and we can park our home within steps of amazing trails. The spaciousness, the simplicity, the sounds of coyotes howling at night right outside my window, the quiet, the stillness, the need for less material items, and especially the slower pace of life. Sometimes I feel like I need to pinch myself. It's been an absolute dream come true to be able to spend time in places like this. But with this sense of freedom from the rat race, also comes with inconveniences and challenges. How to get mail in each location. Sometimes the internet signal is not the best. Sometimes my favorite grocery stores are hundreds of miles away, and I have to improvise with my shopping list. It feels like something is always broken. We have a looming trip across the country for repairs, knowing we'll be displaced from our home on wheels yet again. But of course, life is all about balance, so we must take the challenges along with the good parts. And I'd say we've had a lot of good parts. The only big regret I do have with full-time RV living is not doing it sooner.